turn G natural minor into G harmonic minor, you raise the 7th note of the scale. So in this scale, that means turning the F into an F sharp. And now we have harmonic minor. To turn this into melodic minor, we also raise the 6th note. So since the E is flat, all we have to do is remove the flat on the E, because raising an E flat to an E natural, that's raising it, right? So we play that E natural. So now we have the 6th and 7th notes raised going up, and then you play natural minor as you come down the scale. And then to play the harmonic chord progression, we use the harmonic scale again. This is the primary chord progression in G minor.